me, boys and girls. C-O-W spells what? Cow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a chicken here and a chicken there, here a chicken, there a chicken, everywhere a chicken. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Chicken! Spell chicken with me, boys and girls. C-H-I-C-K-E-N spells what? Chicken! And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a sheep here and a sheep there, here a sheep, there a sheep, everywhere a sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P spells what, boys and girls? Sheep.
You know, I really likes my doggies.
And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a dog here and a dog there, here a dog, there a dog, everywhere a dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Dog, D-O-G spells what? Dog!
And what about my billy goat?
With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Goat, spell it with me. G-O-A-T spells what? Goat.
What about my donkey?
With a hee-haw here and a hee-haw there, here a hee, there a haw, everywhere a hee-haw. Donkey, keep spelling with me. D-O-N-K-E-Y spells what? Donkey!
And what about my ducks?
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Duck, D-U-C-K spells what, boys and girls? Duck.
What about my horses?
With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Horse, H-O-R-S-E spells what? Horse. Good job, boys and girls.
What about my pig?
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Pig, P-I-G spells what? Pig.
What about my turkey?
With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble. Turkey, come on, let's spell it. T-U-R-K-E-Y spells what, boys and girls? Turkey! Old had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Boys and girls, I'm so proud of you spelling the farm animal names with me. So we're going to do a review and spell them again so you can be smart. Here we go. Number 1, cow, C-O-W. Number 2, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Number 3, sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Number 4, dog, D-O-G. Number 5, goat, G-O-A-T. Number 6, donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y. Number 7, duck, D-U-C-K. Number 8, horse, H-O-R-S-E. Number 9, pig, P-I-G. Number 10, turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y. Yay! We spelled the farm animal